Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And now you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the quick panel, or in the quick panel, you will see a bunch of icons, and you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list. One of the icons should look like this, like the movie prop, and this is the theater mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. It will redirect you to the theater mode menu here, and here we can turn it on or off. And if you enable the mode, you can also select the duration, and we have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours. For example, if you select 4 hours, the mode will stay on for 4 hours, and then it will turn off automatically. You can also turn it off manually if you want to. And what the theater mode does is basically it mutes all of the notification sounds, it disables the wake up screen features like always on display, rise to wrist to wake, disables the alarm sounds, the system sounds and stuff like that. Basically anything that could disturb you during the, let's say, movie in the cinema or stuff like that. Okay, another way to disable the mode is to go to the quick panel, find the icon and simply tap on it right here. And if your mode is enabled, you can tell by the icon on the watch face, and also the icon on the quick panel rather will be highlighted, will change the color, and you will see the icon right here at the top, which indicates that the mode is enabled. I'm gonna disable it now, go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.